Welcome to Learn and Talk. Let's learn Arabic and English in a fun and easy way. Learn, speak, and enjoy every day. Good afternoon. I have lunch. I have lunch. I take a rest. I take a rest. I read a book. I read a book. I buy groceries. I buy groceries. I go outside. I go outside. Drinking water keeps me healthy. I love water. I send message. I send message. I learn Arabic. I learn Arabic. I practice English. I practice English. I answer calls. I answer calls. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.